Hi everyone, it's the girl Sukie. Actually, I just posted this on my Instagram story, but I figured I would do it here on YouTube as well, just in case you didn't follow me there. But anyways, it's about how I teach my clients to, memorize Chinese characters. And just in case you didn't know, I'm offering this one-on-one course right now on Chinese pinyin and Chinese characters. So if you are interested, make sure to go to the description below and click the link there. But without further ado, let's dive in. Let's start with one simple Chinese character, okay? This one. Oh, sorry, this is the eraser. This is a square, right? Just make it a little nicer. Okay, this is a square, right? It's actually a Chinese character as well, which is kou. By the way, this is a pinyin, and if you are in my pinyin course, you should know it. This is kou, right? And it means mouth. Actually, there are many Chinese characters that are built on another Chinese character. For example, if we have a line in the middle, this is 日, okay? 日, and it means sun. Okay, and if we have a vertical line like this is 游, which means reason because, and in this phrase 由于, it means because, okay? And let's see, if we have a vertical line like this, okay, it means farmland, which is 田. For example, in this phrase 田地, it means farmland. All right, and for a Chinese character with a vertical line like this one is 甲, 甲. And if you read contract before, we usually have a party A, party B, party C in the contract, right? And party A in Chinese is 甲方. And another Chinese character, let me see. Okay, let's say we extend this vertical line like this. All right, this is 身. 身, okay, 身, and it means apply. So for example, in this phrase 申请, it means apply or application. And what else? Oh, let me write here. So this one, if we have a little this, okay, this one, okay, this is 白, 不爱白, and it means white, the color white. For example, this phrase 白色, it means white. All right, and another one, all right, I wrote it here. So this is a kou, right? But if we have another smaller square in the middle, this is a new Chinese character. It is 回. 和为回, I means back. For example, this phrase 回家, it means back home, come home. Okay, so as you can see, with this one simple square here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new Chinese characters. And this is just one easy example. So if you are interested in learning Chinese with me, make sure to click the link in the description below and follow me on Instagram, alright? Because I do post 2 to 3 times every day, and you can also catch up with me on Instagram stories. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!